In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed anything on Shopify using a link. We are going to do this directly inside your Shopify admin using the product editor. This is a simple method and it is useful when you want a specific embedded element to appear on a product page in the exact spot you choose. The key is placing it inside the product description using the built-in rich text field. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the Products section in the main navigation and click on it. This will open your product list, where you can see all of the items currently in your store. From there, open the specific product where you want the embedded element to appear. This is important because the content you insert will only show on that product, unless you repeat the process elsewhere. When the product editor loads, scroll to the description area. This is the rich text field where you can format content and place media within the body of the product details. Now take a moment to decide exactly where the asset should appear. Click inside the rich text field and place your cursor in that precise location. This matters because Shopify will insert the embedded content wherever your cursor is positioned. If you want it between two paragraphs, click there. If you want it at the top or bottom of the description, place the cursor accordingly. Next, find the Insert Video icon in the editor toolbar. This is usually represented by a small video camera or film strip symbol. Click that icon to open the insertion box. Even though the tool says video, this method can be used to place embedded content using the code or link format you have already copied. Once the box appears, paste your copied code block into it. Make sure the full code is inserted cleanly, without extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small formatting issue can prevent the embed from displaying properly. After that, click Insert Video. Shopify will place the embedded asset into the product description at the exact point you selected. At this stage, it is a good idea to quickly review the content in the editor to make sure it appears in the right position and looks correct within the layout of the product page. That covers everything you need to know.